Welcome to the HED instrument. HED stands for high energy density, but what it actually means is materials under extreme conditions. Extreme conditions, for example, very high pressure, material which is squeezed together to very high density, or which is heated up to extremely high temperatures. So high that things melt or even explode, and so dense that things are squished together even if they are very hard solid. Where do we find these kind of conditions? For example, in the interior of the Earth, in the core of the Earth, in most of the other planets in our solar system or even in the universe. But we also find them, for example, in laser drilling and laser milling, or when meteors impact the Earth or the Moon and form craters. We have here different capabilities to create these kind of extreme states of matter. Of course, we cannot find them just on our planet. We have to generate them. And we have two very powerful lasers here, which are actually upstairs of this experimental hutch. They are one of the most powerful lasers in Europe. And we can use these very intense laser beams to shoot them onto what we call a target, a material, for example, of a sample of the Earth core, which is iron. And then we can shoot the laser onto this sample and generate a very extreme state, high temperatures, high pressures, high densities. We can also use just the X-ray beam to heat something which is very, very intense. And we can use something which we call diamond anvil cells. Imagine just two diamonds, like you find them in your wife's ring, and you squeeze them material together between the tip of the two diamonds, and between these two tips you can generate very, very high pressures. We also have in the very future a magnetic field pulse coil, a regular coil with a wire, but you can shoot for a very, very short time. It's very strong current through this coil, and you will generate a very extreme magnetic field inside that coil for a very short time.